Welcome to this video manual about how to use your tempmate S2 data logger.
The tempmate S2 is a single-use data logger, which you can get in two variations. To monitor temperature and relative humidity. On the front side you can see the large display, the start and stop button, and the two LED indicators. By repeatedly pressing the start button, you can call up the individual pages on the display and see the current status of your device. Additionally, the LED lights will show you if an alarm was recorded. You can also find a description for the different LED indication signals on the back side of your logger. Here you can also find the pre-attached glue spot to mount your device on many different surfaces. To start your logger, keep the start button pressed for at least 5 seconds. A successful start is indicated by the green LED flashing 10 times and the symbol REC showing on the display. Afterward, you can identify an already started device by the little triangle symbol showing on the upper left side of the display. Your device is now ready to be attached to your shipment. To stop your device after a shipment, simply hold the start button pressed again for at least 5 seconds. The successful stop is indicated by the red LED flashing 10 times. The display will show stop, and the triangle symbol will change to a square symbol. To get your report, simply remove the cap protecting the device's USB plug and connect it to your PC. A successful connection is indicated by both LED flashing. The logger will automatically open as an external drive on your PC. This process may take a few minutes, depending on the amount of data. Now open the drive and copy the PDF and CSV report to a local folder. Please make sure to always dispose of your devices according to your country's regulations and protect not only your goods, but also our environment. Congratulations, you have just successfully completed the use of the tempmate S2. You want to know how to configure the tempmate S2 according to your needs using the free tempbase 2 software? Then please watch our video, How to Configure with tempbase 2. Empower your supply chain.